A slow pan glides over the PlayStation 5's sculpted outer shell, revealing the subtle curves and dust-catching vents engineered to channel airflow and keep the system pristine. As the shell separates, a close-up lingers on the oversized cooling fan, its size and placement key to whisper quiet performance in the most demanding moments. Soft overlays label the fan and the precisely mapped airflow paths, highlighting how every vent and channel is designed for efficient cooling without distraction. The camera transitions smoothly to the intricate heatsink, a lattice of aluminum and copper designed to draw heat away from the custom APU. Here, on-screen text explains the secret beneath, a layer of liquid metal, chosen for its extraordinary ability to transfer heat away from the chip, ensuring stable operation under pressure. The visuals slowly zoom in, revealing the dense network of fins and the deliberate orientation for optimal airflow from intake to exhaust. A gentle tilt showcases the motherboard, the heart of the console, where the APU sits almost hidden, a powerhouse that disappears into the background, letting games take center stage. Subtle highlights trace the power supply's strategic isolation, reducing heat buildup and electrical noise, while nearby, the storage and expansion bays are revealed. Each component placement is called out, emphasizing Sony's focus on seamless upgrades and balanced thermals. As the view pulls back, the system's quiet complexity comes into focus. This synergy of design choices, from the dust-catching shell to the liquid metal core, explains why the PS5 runs cooler than you'd expect. Here, engineering ensures that power never overshadows play.